Okay, so there's a couple things that are really important with this assembly. Here's an example that we did. First of all, we are wanting to look for our mates here. So there's a fastened mate to the origin with the platform. That's really helpful. You can also just fix this platform in place. That's another way to do that. So you need to make sure that that object is fixed, right? You can also see that there are some fastened mates here with our side pieces. So we've got our side rail here, and then there's another duplicate of that side rail here. We also have these kind of unnamed parts, but these are the levers, or whatever you're calling them. And then one thing that's a little bit tricky is that we also have these the dowels, right? And so I've actually created two lengths of dowels. If you look down here, you can see there is a 5.25 inch dowel and a 5.75 inch dowel. And that's because there are differences in where these things orient. And that's really important, that when you especially attach these bottom revolute mates to your side rails, that the sides, so I zoom in, that these are in the right spots. I've kind of cheated with this one where I've got my two pieces offset. So I've got my one 5.75 here, and it's offset a little bit on this one. But it's better to have two different lengths because you're going to alternate back and forth, and you need to make sure the really key is that this revolute mate at the end is right at the end of that dowel. So I'm going to just kind of go through these and delete these. Let's see, it's taking a little bit longer. Delete these and show you how I kind of set things up as we get started. So I deleted all those mates, but now I can move stuff around. So I'm just gonna put these in place and in space. So this one, we're good here, right? We can see that that's a fastened mate. You're gonna revolute around that, and that could also be a revolute mate, that's fine. But so that dowel can rotate, but it's not important for it to rotate. So I'm going to start with a pin slot mate. And so my pin slot mate is going to be to the end of this dowel. So I'm going to choose that. And then I want it to be inside that slot. And so I'm going to rotate through, and what's important is that it's centered of the slot. If I look over here for my slot, there's a lot of other points, but they're not the center. So it's important that it's inside the center of that slot. And I want to highlight this face. So if I hover over this face of my side rail, you can see, and then I hold down the shift key, that's going to hold that mate. So I can push that right to the middle, that point right there. I don't know why. There we go. Whew. I was a little bit nervous. And then I want to mess with this a little bit. I want to rotate. I want my x-axis, that red line, to go back and forth, right? So that's the direction that I want my mate to go. Now, Onshape's going to automatically create another pin slot mate for you once you've solved that first one. So I'm going to X out of that pin slot mate, and I'm going to check that mine works. So you can see, yes, now that I drag this back and forth, that's in good shape. I'm going to offset this a little bit, so I'm going to go back into that pin slot mate, and I'm going to give it a little bit of an offset. I'm not quite sure what value I needed here, but I'm going to put that at 0.25 just to get it to stick out a little bit, and that way I can attach my my levers, my linkages to that. So you can see now I've got it sticking out a little bit, and again, this can slide back and forth. I can set limits at it of that piece in that pin slot mate, so that's something so that it doesn't, just go way out here. That doesn't make sense, but we're not going to deal with that right now. So my next mating situation is I'm going to come in and I'm going to put a revolute mate on that dowel, and I want it to mate to the front of this one. So I want to make sure that I'm going to put it on the front side of that linkage. So right there, you can see that put it right there, and then that, I'm happy with that revolute mate. That one should be good. It's going to choose another revolute mate for me, which is actually what I want. So I want that. I'm going to come in and I'm going to grab the front of this linkage because I'm going to mate that with the end of my dowel. So I'm going to put that right there, and then I'm in good shape. What I want to do now is I want to come around here and I want to look at the back side of mine. Your assembly might be a different view, but you can see both of these linkages are on the same plane, the same value on the x-axis. So I want one of them to be offset just a little bit. Now I've got two options. I can go back into, I'm going to cancel out of this extra revolute mate because I'm not ready for that yet. I'm going to go back into my pin slot, and I'm going to actually put this only 0.125 because that's the thickness of my linkage. And so you can see that moved it in, and now they're offset, right? So I can see both of my linkages on this back view. Now what I'm ready to do is come in and add another revolute mate, and I don't need a dowel. Actually, what I want to do is I want to revolute mate these holes. So I'm holding down shift on this face. This is kind of the inside face of one of the linkages, and I want to make sure that I just get that that hole right there, and then I'm going to rotate around to my other linkage, and I'm going to hold down shift, and I'm going to get those. So those are basically sliding together, right? So this looks a little weird, but I think it should still work because I never set any limits on, let's see, let it calculate a little bit. Yeah, so you can see that it is working. It's just in kind of a weird spot. And notice on the left-hand side I don't have any red, so that's good. So I'm trying to get this to move over. It's in a weird space. I want that. Let's see. How do I get this? It's working. It's just working backwards. And that's just because I never set a limit on this pin slot. So maybe that's something you have to do first. But it's kind of functional. Stand by. Might have to post a separate little video for how to fix this funny little anomaly. Let's see.